We have to take question number 2 next, children. Show that the relation R on set of real numbers. Capital R is for real numbers. Given as A is smaller than equal to B square. The first entry of the ordered pair should be smaller than equal to the square of the second entry. This is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay. So for reflexive nature, what are we going to do is, for reflexive, the entry should be mapped with itself. Okay, so if you take this example, you can quote some other example also. I have chosen the examples that came to my mind. You can choose some other examples, but this is how you have to show they're satisfying. We would say half comma half. Half is any real number. Half is not mapped with half, means half comma half is not in this relation. Why? Because half is not less than half's square. 1 by 2 का square करोगे तो बन जाएगा 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2. It is not greater, right? The bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. Okay. So, yes. So, if I took half and half as my A and B, then we saw whatever relation was given is not being satisfied here. So, we would say this is not reflexive. Like this. So, for जब negative आपको not दिखाना होता है, then you can take any one example not satisfying the relation, and that is more than enough. Okay. Then second is your symmetric nature. So for symmetric nature, if we choose 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 definitely belongs to this relation because 1 is smaller than 2 square. 1 is smaller than 4. 2 square is 4. Now if you consider 2 comma 1, the reverse. Okay, 2 comma 1, then 2 should be smaller than 1's square, which is not true. 2 is not smaller than 1's square. So that means 1 comma 2 would belong to the relation, but 2 comma 1 will not belong to the relation, which is the condition for symmetry. So it is not showing a symmetric relation. So it is not symmetric. तो हमने यहाँ भी एक negative example दे दिया. Likewise, transitive के लिए भी देखते हैं. So if I take 3 comma minus 2. 3 is smaller than minus 2 square. Minus 2 का square होगा तो positive हो जाएगा 4. 4 is greater or 3 is smaller than 4. Whichever way you say it. Now, then the second entry here should be the first entry in the next ordered pair. ये होता है transitivity के लिए. So, if I take an ordered pair starting with minus 2 comma 1 I have taken. Then according to the relation, minus 2 smaller than 1 square is true. Minus 2 is smaller than 1 square. This is a negative number. This will come out to be positive. Okay. So both entries are belonging to the relation. Both are true. 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma 1. Both are belonging to the relation. Now let us check 1 and 3. 1 is definitely not smaller than 1's square. This becomes greater. So क्या prove हो गया हमारा? That 3 comma 1 is not in the relation. So it will not be transitive. So ऐसे आप एक negative example. You can choose some other entries also out here. Any of the real number, but this is how you'll have to show कि it is going against the rule of reflexive nature, symmetric nature and transitivity. Okay. Alright. Now what was the third question saying here? Check whether the relation are defined on set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as A and B ordered pair where B is A plus 1 will be reflexive, symmetric or whatever. Okay, so the set was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I told you the entries A and B both, the first entry of the ordered pair and the second entry both cannot go beyond 6. 1 to 6. Okay, so हमारा domain, codomain या image कहना चाहिए rather should not be codomain. तो वही होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But हमारा domain as well as code range will not go beyond that. So let's start with the first entry of the domain, that would be 1. So B will be 1 plus 1 2. Then if I take the second entry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. These are all entries possible. हम x को 6 a को 6 रख सकते हैं, but फिर ये 7 आएगा तो वो set से बाहर चला जाएगा. So we are not taking that entry. So this relation will have only these many ordered pairs. Right? Now out of these ordered pairs, clearly we can say no entry is mapped with itself. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. Okay? So in general, rather than writing each of them, in general we have written that A, A is not belonging to the relation for all A's of this given set. So this is not a reflexive relation. Then clearly we can say not symmetric because 1, 2 मैंने एक example लिया है क्योंकि negative में आपको सिर्फ एक result भी दिखाना है sufficient. Okay, but आप देख लो किसी में भी symmetry नहीं है. 1, 2 belonging to the relation, 2, 1 is not in this relation. So it is not symmetric. 2,3 है, 3,2 नहीं है, बट हम सब नहीं कह रहे हैं. एक भी आप नेगेटिव दिखा देते हो तो उसका नेचर ब्रेक हो गया है. ओके, नाउ 1,2 इज देयर and then ये entry, yes, here 2,3 is there, so 1,3 should also be there transitivity के लिए, but it is not there. So we'll say 1,2 belonging to the relation, 2,3 belonging to the relation, but 1,3 is not in this relation, so this is not transitive. All right, that is how you're going to show it. Then next one is saying show that relation R and set of real numbers again such that A is smaller than equal to B. The comparison, this one should be smaller than or at the most equal to B. This is reflexive and transitive, but it is not symmetric. Let's see how and why. Because of that equal to sign there, children, equal to was also there in the relation. Okay, so A comma A will be belonging to relation. Every entry will be mapped with itself because every number is equal to itself. वहाँ जो आपको relation given था उसमें equality का sign था, तो every entry will be mapped with itself. Therefore, this relation would be reflexive. All right. Now next, 2,4 is in the relation because 2 is smaller than 4. But उल्टा कर दो अगर 4 is not smaller than 2. So that means 4,2 will not be part of this relation. So 2,4 in the relation, 4,2 not in the relation. So it is not symmetric. Okay. Now for real numbers, children, we do understand this. Okay. For any and every real number, this always happens. Real number ऐसे number line में हम plot करते हैं, left hand side smaller values, and as they move to the right, the value goes on increasing. So for any A which is smaller than B, and then further if B is smaller than C, तो A, B, C, then this A is definitely smaller than C. तो हम otherwise जानते हैं. So there are so many real numbers. आप यहाँ पे जैसे हमने example देके कर लिया. Here we will generalize it because this is for the huge set of real numbers and we know this fact. So we've written now for A, B, C being any real number, we know that whenever A will be smaller than B and B will be smaller than C, then we know in set of real numbers this happens that A will be smaller than C. So these two in the relation implies this is also in the relation. So this relation is transitive. That is how you're going to present. Okay. Fifth was saying check whether the relation are again for real numbers which is defined as A is smaller than equal to B's cube now would be reflexive, symmetric. We have to check it. Kya hai, kya nahi. Okay, so again this was our relation. So I have taken again half and half. So clearly half is not smaller than 1 by 2's cube. 1 by 8 हो जाएगा ये, जैसा भी ऊपर भी किया था हमने स्क्वायर में, right? So it is not reflexive. This entry will not be in the set. Okay, या equal आना चाहिए या smaller आना चाहिए था, but 1 by 2 greater हो गया इससे. So this is not reflexive. Now next is for symmetry. 1,2 is in the relation because 1 is smaller than 2's cube. Definitely 1 is smaller than 8. If I reverse the order, 2 and then I consider 1's cube, 2 is not smaller, it is greater than 1's cube. Okay, so this is true but this is not true. So this is in the relation but this is not in the relation, hence it is not symmetric. So one negative example you have to quote. Now for transitivity, 4,2 is belonging to this relation because 4 is definitely smaller than 2's cube which is 8. Yes, then 2 से start होने वाला एक और pair लेंगे हम. 2, 3 by 2 I have considered. 2 is smaller than 3 by 2's cube. 2, I've solved it. 3 by 2's cube is coming out to be some 3 and some fraction to it. Alright. Now, if you compare the first and the last entry, then 4 is coming out to be greater than 3 by 2's cube. This is one example I have taken. आप कोई और example, कोई और entries pick up कर सकते हो. But ये आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा and ये आता है. Okay, it doesn't come out to be transitive. See, I have shown you one negative example. One negative is also sufficient. If you try to cook up your own example, you might end up getting some more entries which are clearly going to show that A, B in the relation, B, C in the relation, A, C is not in the relation, like is happening here. In case of 4,2, 2,3 by 2, 4,3 by 2 is not in the relation. So it is not going to be transitive. Okay.